Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to deactivate Facebook and Messenger account in easy way. So let's get started. First we need to use Messenger application and deleting Facebook and Messenger account. We need to go to settings on the upper left side, click the three lines icon, and next on the upper right side click the gear icon, and you'll be routed to settings, and then scroll down and click account center. Then you will see a couple of options under account center, so click personal details, and then next after that you see account ownership and control. Click that one. Under account ownership and control you will see deactivate or deletion, so click that one. So I see two accounts since I connected my Facebook and Instagram account. So you need to click Facebook, and then you will choose either deactivate or delete the account. Choose deactivate account and then click continue. Then you'll be routed to enter your Facebook password. So enter your Facebook password, then click continue. And since I connected my Instagram and Facebook account, so Facebook asked me to create a password for my Instagram itself. So I just click not now, and next you will need to select your reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. So you just need to do is click one of the reason and then click continue. Then Facebook will give you couples of options on deactivating your account. If you want to deactivate your account in just 7 days, you can select 7 days or don't reactivate automatically. And once you already choose any of that options, you just need to do is click done. After clicking done, just click continue to proceed to the final steps. The final steps, there are two options. If you still continue using Messenger, and if you want to turn off your notification. So if you want to continue using Messenger, just click that one, and if you do not want, just skip. And if you want to turn off your notification, just click it and highlight the circle icon, and after that click deactivate my account, and that's it. Your Facebook and Messenger account will be deactivated. Just don't forget your login information to reactivate your account. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.